V Prop Trader Withdrawal tutorial. How to withdraw from V Prop Trader. Now it's usually done directly inside the app, no external stuff really needed, of course, other than your wallet or wherever you want to withdraw it to, but you should be able to do it directly inside your V Prop Trader. So if you want more information and you're wondering why you still can't withdraw, then there's some official information over here by V Prop Trader. So basically on how you can withdraw profits. So you may request a withdrawal 14 calendar days after receiving your funded account. After each withdrawal, a new 14-day period must pass before another withdrawal. So you won't be able to withdraw immediately. You're still gonna have to wait for 2 weeks so that you can request a withdrawal 14 calendar. Wait, no, you request for a withdrawal 14 calendar, and then after the 14 days, you should be able to withdraw your profits. If you want more information, of course, on how to request for that withdrawal, then you're gonna have to first close all your trades, submit your request to their operations team, and withdrawals are reviewed within 1 to 2 business days and credited to your wallet. Once it's in your wallet, you can request for the withdrawal, and then at that point, it's just the waiting time. But that is the process on how you can withdraw in V Prop Trader. So hopefully the information of this video, technically information from then, can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.